Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my living area. Guys, I showed you in my previous video where I decorate my dining room. And guys, it's a new home, I'm just moving. It just take me a quite while just to put everything together. For this Christmas tree, if you guys have watched my previous video, I wanted to do the living room first, but however, I didn't find the leg for this Christmas tree. I have this Christmas tree for a while now, and I didn't plan on buying anything for this living room this year. So everything that I already have, I have plenty of stuff, guys. So I just want to use them over and over until I can find better, because this is a new home. I might change my decor for next year, but because it's I already have everything and I just want to use them over again. Okay guys, as you can see, my Christmas tree already up, and I'm using exactly the same ornament, the same everything I already have. And guys, just to save some money, because moving new home is pretty expensive. So if you somebody would have the saving, that's fine. But me, I wanted to use the thing that I already have because I didn't want to spend more than I already did. Okay guys, as you can see my chair, those chairs, I love them. They're beautiful and they're expensive. And I don't have anything yet to put as my sitting area with my sofa. So I'm using this chair, but however, the color is not really what I want for Christmas. I'm going to change them by adding chair covers. So guys, it's another great way. If you're not ready to spend any money on any furnitures, this one can be a good option. And the chair cover, I got it from Amazon. And yeah, so guys, the link of everything that I use in the video can be in the description box down below. If something that you want, you can check them out. Because me, the chair was great for fall, but for Christmas, I wanted to change the look. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, clean with me, DIY, vlog. Guys, if you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be who I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, I've been putting pillow covers throughout my home, in on my chairs, depending on the occasion. But I can tell you, this pillow cover beat me up. I don't know, because they didn't have some of them, most of them that I already have, and then they always tell you the front and the back, but this one you have to figure it out. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. But to be honest, I don't really like it. I like the color, but I don't really like whenever if I have to wash it, it's gonna be a problem for me to put it back on again. But I don't have nothing else to cover my chair, so this is what I have right now. I'm using it, but I don't think I will just keep using it for a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want you to get up if you haven't do so, because I know I'm late in my Christmas decor. But if you haven't do so, just like me, I want you to get up and get moving and have some cleaning done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But the This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa to.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what you think, if you like it. If you do, leave me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you guys.
Just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes.